calculated value. I will be explaining one important thing, that is actually calculated value. So before we understand calculated value, I will actually explain one important thing, that is actually very, very important thing. So you will actually see that across the platform. You will actually see that across the platform. So that is actually current object. So let me just open the notepad, guys. So I will actually explain about current object. So what exactly is this current object? This current object will actually hold the form field values. See, whatever, let us say caller field has system administrator, affected caller has abethfar, configuration item has this one. So assignment group has this one, assign to has this one, related incident has this one, short description has this one. So if you want to get the form field values, suppose I want to get the short description value. I want to get the short description field value. So here, right, we have to use current object. Okay. So how do you get the short description value? Here is, you will use current object. You will use current object here. So current dot the field name. So always remember, we will not be using this field name. So this is actually label. We will not be using this field label. We will be always using field name. So what is the field name? U underscore short underscore description. This is one of the important thing, guys. So we will be always using field name rather than field label. The one which you are actually seeing is actually called label. So you will be using always field name. So U underscore short description is actually the field name. So what exactly you will do? So if you want to get the value of short description, you will use current dot U underscore short description. If you want to get the value of description, you will use current dot U underscore description. If you want to get the value of related incident, so you will use current dot U underscore related incident. If you want to get the value of state, you will use current dot U underscore state. So likewise, if you want to get the field values of, form, you will use current object. Okay. So I want to get the value of affected caller. So affected caller means current dot U underscore affected underscore caller. Okay. So if you want to get the short description field value, you will use current dot U underscore short description, So likewise, if you want to get the form field values, you will use current object dot field name. So now we will actually discuss about calculated value. So calculated value is actually something that which is used to calculate the values. Okay. So now, right, I am going to create few more choices here. Okay, so I will do one thing. So in the short description, so based on caller and affected caller, I want to populate the short description. Based on caller and affected caller, I want to populate the short description. So I will go to the short description field here. I'll go to the advanced view here. So here in the advanced view, I'll go to the calculated value here. Here in this calculated value, you will check this checkbox. You will check this checkbox. Okay. So here, right, you can see current object here. Current object. So based on caller and affected caller, I want to calculate the short description value. So based on caller and affected caller, I want to calculate the short description value. Okay. So here, right, remember one thing. So every record will have display name, right? We had just seen. So number will be the display name. So you can change the display name to short description as well, like that we have seen, right? So for this caller also there is a display name. The one which you are actually seeing is actually display name. The one which you are seeing is actually display name. So here, right, in the short description, you will use current dot u underscore caller. I'm actually getting the caller value here. Dot get display name plus comma plus current dot u underscore affected caller dot get display value plus have seen movie called Brahmastra. Okay. So based on caller and affected caller, I'm actually populating the short description value. So I'm using calculated value, guys. So I'm going to save this one. I'm going to select this one. So when I save this one, right, you will be able to see. So system administrator and Alexander have seen movie called Brahmastra. If I change system administrator to someone, able tutor. So now you guys can see able tutor and Alexandra have seen movie called Brahmastra. So if I change it to someone else, Alina Motran. So Alina Motran and able tutor has seen movie called Brahmastra. So now how exactly I am actually populating this short description, guys? Based on this caller and affected caller, I'm actually populating the short description. Hope this is clear for everyone. Is it clear for everyone? Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Clear, right? Calculated value.
Yes, little.
Yeah. So here, right, my requirement is based on caller and affected caller, I want to populate the short description value. That is why I have actually gone to the short description field. In the short description field, I have actually used calculated value. In the calculated value, so I am actually getting the caller value using current.u underscore caller dot get display value. And I am actually getting the affected caller value using current.u underscore affected caller dot get display value. Have seen movie called Brahmastra. So here, right, call based on caller value and affected caller value, we are actually populating the value in the short description field. So that is what we have actually done here. Hope this is clear.